Okay, good morning, everybody. People, today, what we're gonna do is today is what, the 26th. Oh, it's half the year. It's the 27th of June. Now I'm gonna do this recording and I'm gonna post it in our groups. The reason why I want to do it, I think we're gonna start to getting normalized now after Stefan's funeral and stuff. And I just like to let the people know, Canas is still going on. We're going to do the same as we go on as Stefan always loved to do it. And we want to just go on in the future with this project. With this, there is a few changes what we're doing. We're not having as many Zooms as we still have a lot of Zooms, but the difference is in the past, me and Stefan used to do all the Zooms and we did all the presentations. What we did now is to make it easier for me because I must promise you, I can't actually do what Stefan did. He can work 18 hours a day in front of this screens and helping you people, and I can't do it. So um, I just so what we did is I contacted it for Valley for Dow and for Reach for NWP and even the EasyBot. So we actually falling. Blanche is still announcing the Zooms, but we fall into that group. It's going to make it easier. I don't have to sit 18 hours a day in front because these Zooms is quite tiring, people. Um, every time after a Zoom, I get 10, 12 calls, and a Zoom for me is easily 4 hours long after we only had a 40-minute Zoom. But so it's easier for the person who's presenting a project to do the Zoom of the project. So if there's new projects coming up, that person who introduced it will run a Zoom on his own Zoom account. And also, you will also find that we do not do somewhere easily new projects. I'm going to go through all the ones that we've done, what we're busy with. And I'm going to speak about some that we had in mind, me and Stefan, but that we were busy testing. But in general, no projects will be added to the Kana group if that project is at least 3 to 6 months old. We're not going to run FOMO, fear of losing out, because we're actually losing more money than if we join these projects to get first in the lines. And so that's going to be a no-no. It's going to be very difficult for any person who's watching this video or is going to join these groups to say, you cannot just introduce a project to me and say, okay, now we're going to put it in a Canas group. It's not going to work like that anymore. We've lost too much money. And I think the projects we've already busy cutting down on projects. You will see on the Telegram group, it's marker X befront. X, then it's in danger. If it's got two X's, it's about to be scrapped from the Canas group. And I think this is the way we're going to do it forward. And you will also see that the persons who introduced that project, his name will be set next to that name. So if there's any questions, the people in the Canas group can ask directly to that person. So, all right. Now, let me start sharing my
But
screen.
one
Is there anything else
fact,
anybody
but
want
people
to
must
ask?
also facts.
Yes.
They must remember with the Kana group members, when a program built, we will still build the same way we always did, like Stefan did. We
Yeah,
build for the team.
we're gonna push for a team. That is the way Stefan's legacy was, and that's what I would like to try and keep on. We have found some other people outside who was used to be in a Canas group that is actually targeting our people. And even some of those projects went ragged before we actually. So people, I cannot myself say this is a good project. It's got to be a team effort. And we're also busy doing some other stuff, how to promote these projects. Especially on the EasyBot, Roy is helping us how to use X. And there's a few of us that this week that actually joined the X conversation. It's called Spaces. And we're looking into different type of things. I'm looking in what we call funnel systems. Roy is busy showing us. Then I also had Wilson Fury, who's busy using a funnel system but his system, you need to pay for it. And unfortunately, that system at the moment is also just using Facebook Messenger. Now, I would like, we do not, I don't use Messenger such a lot. Uh, there's lots of people that got hacked when they start using Facebook Messenger. Then their Facebooks got hacked. So there's a bit of a danger point for me to use that one of Wilson. But Wilson is busy. This is a whole group in South Africa that's using that system, or it's testing it, and it's going to roll out, and you'll keep me up to date with that. All right. So let's start with all the projects that I am involved or not 100% involved that I'm looking at, and then we can talk about it. People, I don't want to stretch it too long for each of these projects because there's quite a few of them. There's 8, 9 of them that I want to talk about today. I've already logged in on most of them so that I can just show you what are we doing, and then let's go from there. All right, let me start sharing my screen. Now I'm going to go in the order of what I've got a board here next to me so I actually, to keep everything in fine. Can you see the Zoom?
Yes.
Yes.
All right. People, you can keep yourself unmuted, although if you got some, uh, um,
Children.
yeah, if you got children behind you screaming.
And a parrot.
And all right, I will not use Ilva, I read your message. Okay, people, first of all, let me start. I'm just going to say again, Bitcoin. Just for the interest sake of people, Bitcoin is reaching nearly an all-time high. Now, you see this climate happened here the last week. The moment that they said there's between Israel and there's a ceasefire, and most of them said that the war is actually over. Then we started, the markets turned from very fear into positive. And we do expect Bitcoin to reach, if you can just check here, I'm going to enlarge it. Bitcoin just touched the all-time high this week of $112,000. The next level is $120,000. So whenever you got Bitcoin in, now remember, Bitcoin is the Rolls Royce. There's also a new narrative that's running, starting to check. We always said in the past, if you go here on the left-hand side, I can maybe just quickly open for you what we call crypto bubbles. In the past, Bitcoin was doing his thing. It's like the Titanic and it turns slowly but fastly, and then afterwards, the all the other coins, the altcoins, has started to change. But there's a new thing that is running in the crypto world that's starting to become more. You can see the coins is quite If you see, it's quite red at the moment. Ne? That is for the daily. And if you look on the hourly, it's still. But there's a new type of crypto coins that is actually going to be in the crypto market and in the stock market. Now you can check, this is the stock market currently. Although it will be only more active 3 o'clock this afternoon when what's the name? Now, in the olden days, you got all these altcoins. That was really when crypto started to turn, you got the altcoins after that moving. So if crypto went 10%, the altcoins went 100% and 300%. But as I said, the narrative of these altcoins, only the strongest is going to survive. And you're going to get the strongest of the altcoins. There was a problem. You had the crypto market and you had the stock market. Now what's going to happen, you've actually got crypto stocks that is going to run into the stock market, in the stock in Wall Street as well. And those coins is the ones that's really going to be the worthwhile. As I always tell you guys, you get crypto coins. Sorry. You get crypto coins and then you get what we call shit coins. That thing is going to start getting out of the way. And then you will rather see, if you can see, there's lots of big companies like BlackRock and all those in America that's starting to use the futures of Cryptcoin. But because some of these coins, they can start buying on the stock exchange as well. And people, you need to start checking those ones out. That is the coins. Now, remember, I don't talk about if you spend $200 or $300 on a coin. When we're talking crypto, the way I talk, you need to look at coins that is going to last for the next 5 to 10 years because you want to do it as an investment portfolio for yourself. And those coins that is really going to be on both the crypto and the stock market is the ones that's really going to actually start showing some value. All right, just on that. So the first project that we are busy doing, not most of us, Andrew is heading the LifeWave for us in the Canas group. People, we're going to do two types. We're doing health and we're doing wealth. So LifeWave is basically, there is some other health projects that some people is doing, but I asked Elise to come up onto the Zoom. I don't know, she's not here. She's doing a bit of other health projects as well. But it's like individuals. But now some of us, I'm doing also the LifeWave, but I'm not intensely involved in that. I didn't even put my sticker on today. I've got tinnitus at the moment, and I'm using this. You see it's called Aeon, and I've got to, I use the X39 for my diabetes as well. So people, this is really going to be, it's also a life wender. The disadvantage of this is, you see, this is my sticker I took, and I just pasted it here behind my ear because I've got tinnitus, and now I used to have this singing in my ear so much that I couldn't even listen to my wife. And I've been using the Aeon now this is now my 3rd week, and my tinnitus is busy getting off. My sugar levels is also down. So just what is important in the LifeWave life, you can buy, for example, a X39, and it's going to cost you $149 for 30 days. Now, those 30 days we can stretch to 2 months. All right. But the main thing I just want to say, I know this, you people, I'm just talking for information. once you become a member here, you actually buy these LifeWave coins, these patches for $99 instead of 149. And people, you can see here on my, I just got, I started this and I just got two people signed up on me. And there I've got my commission already back of the packages that they bought. They've got they started last week with a very good uh, uh, commission structure. And you know Chris Hutton, he's a head on it. Now he's got his hand up. I got my own hand up. What's this? I can't see people. I can't see all of you because I put mine in a live. So I'm not sure what is happening here. I just want to take my spotlight for everybody. So if you want to talk or ask a question, you're on the spotlight. Okay. Just in long, this is LifeWave. Then the next project I'm going to talk about is Mao Global. Now, this thing is look like this project is going rugged. Now, first of all, I want to apologize first. We always thought Lance name is correct. Me. This thing was introduced by Wilson from,
Yeah.
but I spoke to Wilson. He said it wasn't him that actually was pushing Mao Global. It actually came from Chrissy, but Chrissy's also not in the Zoom. But I've actually contacted Mao Global. And I asked him, is the project running or is it not running? You can invest, but you don't get your money back. I'm supposed to, if you click on, as we said in operations, if you look in the past, every day I got my funds back. And then actually you lock your funds for a month and then you can reactivate. Now my package is going to expire on the 2nd of July. And there it is. I started 2nd of June. It's going to start the 2nd of July. Then I'm going to try to withdraw that money. Has anybody had any success on Mar Global withdrawing funds?
Not
No.
actually, mine's still lying there.
Okay. Now, Mar Global wasn't really in a Canas group, but it was separately. We joined in.
Yeah.
For some reason, Stefan didn't want to put it in a Canas group, and now we know it. Why? We had our own choice. Okay. That's Mar Global. I'm going to close it. So I think it's going to go rugged. I don't want to talk about it anymore. Okay. Then the other project I got here is Oak Smart. Oak Smart is one of these silent projects that is just going on and on and on. I don't know how long Oak Smart was in, but as you can see, it, it, it doesn't have like a very huge return on investment. But the Oaksmart is climbing slowly but surely. We can see how money coming in and growing. Is there anybody that want to talk more on Oaksmart that knows more about Oaksmart? I invested for $40, as you can see here, and there's now $54. Lance, do I need to reinvest here on this project? I don't even know.
Perks, that 54 includes your investment. So at the moment, available balance, you only got 14.
Okay,
And minimum on Oaksmart was, if I'm correct, 20 or 25.
let's check. Where is it? I suppose it's not fund management. Come, people, you must help me here.
I think it's open deposit. 20, yeah, minimum was 20.
Monthly yield.
That's the coin what's coming.
Yeah. Now, I know Stefan used to buy some old coins. He wanted to get the coins running. I haven't, but people, what I can tell you,
Actually, there you can. Look, your minimum is 10, but that's for the coin, hey?
that's for the coin. So I can actually buy the Oaksmart coin for $10.
Yeah.
All right. All I want to show you, when I actually I asked Blance for the locking details of Oakcoin, for some reason it wasn't on my. But Oakcoin, even in Binance, if you check there, I got a message from Binance where Oakcoin is advertised in Binance. So the Oak Smart is announcing that it would start to go public on the 12th of March. So I just want to show you, and I also saw on X that Oak Smart is marketing this thing quite a lot. So as we said, the minimum for Oak Smart is $20, no, Brans? $10. No, no.
Yes.
And
No, that's because you are in it. That's for the coin. Go there where it says Oaksmart coin, you can change that to investment. You should be able to change that to investment. Slightly down. There. Okay, no.
okay, it's just a coin, crypto assets, choose a plan. Okay. People, we're just going to go through all the projects. We will take on the Mondays like 2 or 3 coins that if you are interested, and we can talk about it. But as I say, this is a silent project moving ahead, and it looks like there's your yield, 8 to 15%. Now, just to check, some of these projects we always that went LIFO or that went ragged. It's all the ones that gives you 2.5 to 20% a month and 2.5 to 5% a day. And we've seen those projects doesn't survive. But if you get like low yield projects, then it becomes positive. Okay. Anything else want to say about Oaksmart? 1, 2, 3. I'm going to close it.
No, all good, but you've got your hand up again, Wix.
I don't know why it's
Yeah, it's alweer your hand up. You've got your hand up again.
every time. All right, people, jumbo ticket. Um, this was one of Wilson, and Wilson contacted me, and he said people do not invest now in jumbo ticket until, if you can see here, they're busy changing the system. They're gonna have actually now a jumbo coin. And it's actually launching on the 1st of July. And also take note, the withdrawal gateway has been updated. It will now open the 1st of every month with 0 processing fees. Now, in the past, Jumbo Ticket was 0 fees on the 5th of every month. Now, I'm not sure if it's going to be every day like this now, or is it only for the 1st. But this project so far has been running nicely. We know it's been running for 3 years. We just need to see what's happening on Monday. Now, Blance asked me, do you need to withdraw and reinvest? I'm going to show you something here. If you go to package purchase, and I go to daily reports, not report, package, I. Blanche, what I did is the beginning of the month, I bought my lotto ticket. You see there, I only buy one lotto ticket. Some months it varies. One month it's $1, then it's $3, and I think next month it's going to be $5 for the minimum for a lotto ticket. And so another thing I do not know is the lotto draw going to be on the 5th now or the 1st of each month. We just need to, when somebody knows something, you can just update it in the group. But you can see there's no package purchases now, is it? There it is. Say, for instance, I want to buy now a $10 package. I bought multiple packages of $10. up to $50 because, as you say, if I buy $50, it's 0.75. If I buy two $25 packages, I'm actually getting 1%. And that's the reason why I buy different. But Blanche, if you click here and you say buy now, you can actually select purchase for yourself, and you can select from, if there's money in all your wallets, you can actually select from each wallet. Now, if I just go to the front here, you'll see you've got different wallets here. There I can actually, if I got on my T wallet, 3, you can combine the funds in the wallets to buy another package. All right.
But
Yes.
with that, I've tested it. You gotta have to have at least 50% of how many whatever you want to buy in your D wallet.
Okay. Oh,
So
you
if you
need to
want to
have,
do a $10 package, you
yes.
have to have $5 at least in your D wallet.
Okay. Now, just to come on to that, you see, there's two wallets, the T wallet and the D wallet and the T wallet. If you want to buy tickets and you go to the deposit, where's the deposit now? Two gateways. There's two type of gateways. The one gateway you can actually use to buy tickets, and the other gateway is where you buy tech. Now, gateway 1 is where you deposit for the D gateway. Now, we're not sure if this is going to change on the 1st. We'll see. That's why I said, just hold on a sec, let me just get finalization on this, because always it happens when there's a new thing running or a top up. We just watch what's going on. All right. But yeah, and the first person that's gonna win in this group, the lotto, is gonna share 10% of his money for the rest of the group. It's on the Zooms. How does that sound?
That's a good deal.
If you get
Sounds lekker.
if you get 100,000 jackpot, you at least you can help 10 people with $1,000 running there. All right. Just to have some show you becoming rich, because I mean $100,000 is how much money? Anybody?
Well, for me, $100,000 is $100,000 where I'm at. So
Well, for us, what's this now? 17.50 rand. It's 1.7 million rand. It's 1.7 million. I think I can take my wife out for 1.7 million and give you guys a little bit of funny. All right. That's it. Now, let's go to the next one. The next one on the list is the EasyBot. I specifically brought in the EasyBot. Remember, guys, on last night's Zoom, what happens in EasyBot, if you do not have enough USDT in your account, then your bot will go to single mode. It means it will go to sell only. And then from the sell only until it's got enough money. So what I did last night, I actually transferred $50 in my Qcoin to my trading account, and I activated the Solana. These two were still in sell only mode. And this morning when I logged in, I saw, oh, there's money in here. So what happened, and I can show you in the Qcoin account, I had $50 in here, and the bot started selling as well at that stage. And all my other bots is now active again. That's the nice thing about the EasyBot. It actually gives you some, when you got money. Now, the reason why it went to sell only is because I did not follow the rules. And the rules is like this. But I'm always there to bend the rules. If you got a Binance account, the minimum for each bot is $500. If you got a Qcoin, the minimum, you can run 5 bots for $20 each. So what I did, I actually overkilled and I set in the EasyBot, I've got like $100 in my account, and actually I only had 20 in, for example. So I overkilled the bot, and that's why the bot, there was not enough money for it, and that's why the reason why it went to single mode. I specifically doing this to test it for everybody. In actual fact, you guys saw there was $400 in my account, and I actually assigned $400 to each bot. So I overkilled it too much. This is not the right way to do it. The correct way is the amount of money you got. Say, for example, you've got in Qcoin, you've got $100 in, you can run 5 bots of $20 each. Or, and the moment you upgrade, you add money, you can just change the settings on your bot. Okay. But this way, some people are signed up with $20 just to get their bots active. And what those people is doing now, they start marketing the bot and they get money in their wallet from all the people that's below them. People, I can show you, I don't even know what, let's see what my wallet is now. I withdraw 2 weeks ago, a week ago, there was only $15 in my wallet. I'm back to 42 because of the people I signed up and I got commissions. This is not even my commission. This is level 2. This was Marie and Giel's downline. No, it was Blanche. So Blanche got the $10, I got $5 back because she's on my level 2. That person that was below Blanche. So this way, I'm always getting some extra help. That's why I'm so eager to help people in my groups, just to get their bots active. There's a $10 as well, commission. By the way, Marie, Raps's bot is running fine now. You just need...
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Then I've got 2 guys from America. Giel, is Giel on the call? Giel, I'm still battling with those 2 sons of yours in America. We have they're using CoinDesk, and it's a bit tricky to run CoinDesk. Marie, by the way, is your Bitget, is what Bitget that you're on? It's now running fine, eh? Oh, I don't get feedback. I don't hear Marie.
No, sorry. I'm trying to get the thing to talk. No, it's running fine. Thank you.
Okay. And Marie only got how much in your account now, Marie? $100?
Yes.
100. And she linked...
Yeah.
1 or 2 bots now running there?
At the moment, just the one.
Okay. We're trying to do it the correct way. The reason is Marie has got two accounts running at the moment. One is on the beginner package of $100. And then she's also got a VIP package of her son that she's also managing and running. Okay. Anything else on the EasyBot? Can I go off? 1, 2, 3. People, start getting for the EasyBot. Just get $80 or $70. We put $50 in, $55 in your EasyBot, and the rest of the money we put in your Qcoin account, and you start doing this thing. I've got now for Mark Boer as well. We're going to start running so that his bot is active, his wallet is active, and Mark is going to start using his referral link, signing people up and pushing up this account of his. That's the way to do it if you don't have money. Then you market the project. And this is for all the EasyBot people. I said to Roy, we're going to do this funnel thing on the X. Roy is signing up average 5 people a week. And all he does he's promoting it on his X on what we call, what's that word, Chris? Chatting or what noem jy dit?
Hy's af, Bucks.
Is hy af?
Ja, net nou al.
Well,
Yeah, Chris had to leave. It was space.
what's the word?
Space.
Space. People, we're actually going to do one of our Zoom calls, on space. If we just talk these projects, I think it's going to be worthwhile. I just need to get myself experience on this space. Eugene, if you must see the power
Yes.
of space. You must see the power of space when you talk about shining projects, shining stars.
Yeah.
To use it on space. We're going to kill it. All right. People, then we're going to go over to Frex Investment. This is one of Stefan's projects where he did. I'm still trying to just get the details out of the Frex Investment. But basically, Frex Investment, the minimum is $500. Now, we know Stefan always talked on the Zoom calls where he withdrawed once a month $50, which I know he used to pay for his medicine. This is a long...
And he used some of it to activate some of the people in NWP.
Yeah, he actually used Frex Investment to get people running in NWP. So this is a thing but $500 is a bit stiff for me at the moment, but I'm really going to do it. And then we'll check. All right. I just want to switch off this phone. The next project, yeah, man. Power off. All right. The next project was another project. I've asked Willie Flynn to come onto this project. This was also a project which me and Stefan joined, and we wanted to promote AITF. But at that stage, this project was in what? Now, the project actually went live at 6 months. There was a reason why me and Stefan didn't push this project. He signed up wrongly underneath me, and we needed to change that. But at that stage, AITF wasn't really giving us support. We received coins for free. We didn't put any money into this project. But I will expand to this on this next week because the project went live and you can see the value of there's the amount of coins. We each got 300 coins, I think. There's the referrals. And let's just see, I think who was...
Books, they live, but they're not fully live yet. There's still a couple of million coins that they still need to sell before they will go fully live and launch their wallets and stuff.
Okay, Bertie, because I saw somewhere here, but this is also, I don't know if it's worthwhile.
I think we have to let fully launch and we can actually see the asset starts moving around and there's liquidity and all that, because I don't know, it might just be a pump and dump thing this as well. So we're just going to be careful.
Yeah.
And there are some of us that signed up with it from Stefan's side, eh? I'm remember correctly, I got account there. I just haven't logged in.
Okay. But remember what I told you guys in the beginning with this coins that is now not becoming going to be the ones that is actually on the stock market. This is now one of those coins. I don't know if it's going to survive or not. But yes, I still need to invest. What is the purpose of this coin and all that? I can just see there's a left and a right referral, and this is where we had problems with. Bertie, can you did we sign up under you or Willie Flynn? Or did you? Because I can't see.
No,
Yes, the
no,
note.
I signed up from someone outside of Connors Group. I can't remember where I got the link from. But yeah, I
Yeah.
signed up quite a while ago.
Yeah, me as well. I signed up here. I don't even know. It was the first in January. We signed up and then we had problems with the support and we just left it. But what is nice, and you don't see it a lot, there's only two of our projects who's got a white paper. The two projects is NWP and AITF. Now, a white paper is actually where it tells you what is happening with that project and the rules and not. This is one of the things you first check with a project. Does it have a white paper or not? So this actually gives some points to this project. But let us, you can see there's the white paper, everything, what it tells you about the project, everything. I just opened it up now. The tokenomics, the total supply, as Bertie tells us, the pre-sale is 150 billion coins. Billion coins. It needs to.
Billion, yeah, billion.
This is sometimes people ask me, why is a coin not on Binance? There's certain rules for Binance in those bigger where you don't find all the coins in the major exchanges because they need to reach that target first. That is like why the Pi coin is not on Binance yet. It's going to come, but there's some rules for each wallet before they start promoting a coin. And we're actually sitting and waiting for the Pi coin to come. Unfortunately, I didn't put the Pi in. Is the Pi still in the Connors group? It should be, né?
Yes, topic still there.
Yeah. Bertie, you must just remember if you get some news on the Pi coin, just to update us in the group as well there, on the Connors group. Please.
Okay, okay.
I know there was a week or 2 weeks ago, like a packages that we're gonna actually get extra 350 coins. But I couldn't, in the next moment that notification was gone. And I don't know if did you get some extra coins on that birthday package or something? Couldn't remember.
No, I don't. I don't know what the rules was for that. What did you have to do to qualify for that?
Okay. So let me close that, close that. I'm gonna close the lottery. Then people, Cryptex. Cryptex is a project which Christy is really pushing. You can invest $100 for 3 years and you get something like $120,000 out. But one person, Wilson was with me, he had one client that also put in $1,000 and it was 2 weeks. His money was not showing and the support on Cryptex is very poor at this stage. I've sent a message in this week to Chrissy and ask her, Chrissy, how is the support on Cryptex and who do we contact? And because Chrissy put all these nice videos on and powerful presentations of Cryptex, but if I don't have $100 lying around, this is a good investment in long term, I think. But the first of all, they need to have it advertised in. There's no Zooms. It's like it keeps it under the mat. Bertie, I don't know if you know anything about Cryptex, because I've also asked seeing Alan, uh, what does he know about Cryptex? And I'm actually, it's like people is quiet on this project.
Yeah, I didn't go into cryptics. I've got no idea. I just see whatever information Chris has posted on the group.
If I'm
Yes.
correct, there is a group or a channel or something for them. I'll just find out exactly.
Yeah, it is on our Telegram group. And I actually took the X off after I saw those videos. But then I'll start asking the questions. I mean, if I got $100 extra, which I'm going to make on Shining Stars, then I'll start a project like Cryptex. But the thing is, next year I'm 60. I don't want to, I want to start enjoy life. If I'm only going to get that money in 63, now 140 days, I've got like $100. We can invest for 3 years. Then you've got like $500 where you can invest in 5 years. But there's something that is worrying me about Cryptex. Once you only get like 48 hours or something like that, once your period expires. And if you don't withdraw that money, they automatically put you into the next 5-year contract. So there's stuff like that I need to get answers on. And yeah, as I said, we're waiting for Chrissy to give us some feedback on those answers. All right. Then we're going to talk about Shining Stars. Now, this is Eugene's baby. The first thing I just want to show, because I'm on a Zoom recording, there's lots of people that is signing up for the, like the, if you sign up your wife and your people, it must be people over 18 years because we're going to do KYC. But you can sign up your family, friends, and whatever. There's just two things. The moment you sign up somebody else, or remember, we're all using the same referral link. You are going to become the POC. Now I'm going to use this. Chris contacted Annelies on this group. Annelies phoned me and I also helped her. I don't mind helping, although Chris was the person that was supposed to help her. Then what happened, and Anthony also signed up his wife and his kids and everybody. There's no problem for me that, but remember, you do not use the same email to sign up your kids. Every person needs to have his own email and he needs to do the verification of that email. You're not, if you click on Shining Stars on the link, if you click on Shining Stars, you can do step one. Step one is the video. That's the first problem, that when you sign up somebody else, 90% of the people doesn't know what's going on in Shining Stars because they go directly to step two. They don't want to watch this video. And then I can immediately, then they start asking me questions. Then I know they didn't watch this video. But I'll help them, although I'm telling you, it's becoming quite frustrating when all the questions is asked. This man is telling us everything about it. So yes, then we go to step two. Now, there's a subscribe to the newsletter. People, this is optional and this is extra. But you need to subscribe to the newsletter to know what's going on. This is actually part of after you finish the video. The step two is actually the signing up, the filling in of the form. All right? So when you fill in the form, you can do it and you can fill that people in. But as we said, now I think everybody knows, and I've actually realized, I signed up yesterday, Ina Shackleton from Scotland. And she said all the people that actually all the projects they've done in the past, they only use the first and the last name. And she told me about a story, but now I understand. This thing is driven from the Northern Hemisphere. And that is why you only put your first name and your last name of your ID. All right. And then from this week, we're all choosing option 2 at the moment. Now, if you have a Des Alps account, You cannot actually sign up here for Shining Stars. Remember, Shining Stars is the marketing company for these Alps. They're going to run and put us in a 2x2 matrix, and they're going to do everything for you. So you do not need to have people below you, but you need to help people. And that is why if you want to help people in your family and people that's battling, I've got a guy in Welkom, for example, Ollie. We always try to sponsor him in projects. And unfortunately, most of those projects went ragged. And I said to Ollie yesterday, Ollie, sign up that person because we know he's lost his house. He lost everything. He and his kid is staying in a shack, basically. And actually a data analyst. You know, we helped that person. We signed him up. This is the reason for the Shining Stars, is to help everybody in this group. We lost so much money the past 3 or 4 years. And this is a way to get us back, but you need to do it correctly. Then, the person you signed up for. Now, say for instance, something happens and you're actually going to get money. All right? You might win 20,000 Rand on a lotto, or something happens. It's your bonus, and you decide now you want to. Now, what's going to happen in Shining Stars? You come into the queue. Once you're in the queue, you're going to go and you're going to get registered in Des Alps. When you're in front of the queue, you're going to get your 139, 150, say $145. The exact figure is a few cents difference. Then that funds Shining Stars is going to use to pay it forward to another person. So you're not going to withdraw that money, because the moment you pay it forward, you're going to go from level 1 to level 2. And that is how you automatically going to get up to level 5. But in this period between level 2 and level 5, you also registered in Des Alps already. You will be KYC by that time when you get your money. You're also going to get a crypto card. Now, in this period, you're going to receive up to level 5 about $3,000. You're still not going to use it. If you want to be smart, you're not using that money. Everything above $3,000 you can withdraw. The funds is going to be in your crypto card, everything like that. Eugene posted us a very nice stuff about the layout in Shining Stars. People, it's all in a Telegram group, what I'm telling you now. So, after that, can withdraw that money. You can do whatever you want to. You can spend your crypto card. You can transfer that money to fiat, withdraw it, pay your bills, whatever you need to do. Now, the sustainability. People tells me it's a Ponzi system. Now, let me tell you one thing. The whole government of the whole world is in Ponzi systems. You've got always somebody on top and a person below you. But what makes Des Alps different is there's only 20 levels. So a Ponzi scheme goes much lower than 20 levels. That's the first thing. The other thing is you're going to get a crypto card where you spend money. Those people's not going to make that expenses of giving you a crypto card when it's a Ponzi scheme. Because then in a Ponzi system, you're only going to get money for a certain period. Not in this case. And what's going to happen once you start using that card, you're going to actually get 1.5% commission of the people that Shining Stars put below you. You understand?
Okay, so, sorry, Bucks. I just want to interrupt there.
Yeah.
The crypto, you will be able to buy stuff from your back office in the mall, whether it's clothing, computers, cell phones, or whatever, or make use of one of their financial products that they will have available. when on that you will earn commissions up to levels deep. Your crypto card is the 1.5% is only on your own spending. So if you go and buy your milk, you'll get 1.5% back. If you go and buy a car cash, you will get 1.5% back. You go and buy a house, you'll get 1.5% back. That is how the card works.
Okay. So it's actually going to encourage yourself to use your card more, you know? But I just wanted to put the general figure here. Now, on the screen, lots of people phones me. And remember, we filled in now step 2. And step 3, when you're going to click, you're going to register by school. Okay. So when you register by school and you're going to use your wife information, you need to have a ID photo of her or a Facebook photo. But if you got a Facebook and you do not have your photo on Facebook, don't put that picture there. You'll see they ask you for a Facebook picture. Then you rather take a selfie pic. You need to have that, and then you also have to have a bio. A biographic just means you're going to say something, you've got 150 words about yourself in that bio. All right. But look at this. Now, I signed up Ollie's wife. And this is where lots of people, now they signed up their wife. And they log into these apps, they see, no, but it's not, it's member spending. People, I signed this person up yesterday. My Google automatically keeps this profile on my phone or on my PC. In order for me to get back to my profile, I need to log onto this person's name and I need to log out. If you don't do that, and that is why now people try to register somebody else in step 3. But the moment you log in here, I need to log out first. You see, if I log out first, yeah, then I'm going to be back to normal. I can close this profile now. You see it's running there. There it's out. And now I can log in with on my account if I want to check my account. So it's very, very important. Log out of school before you start registering somebody else. And this is the nice thing. When you're registered, you're going to show it's not pending anymore. You're going to be active. Now, this is just to tell you, don't use this invite people of these apps. Remember, we're doing it for the Shining Stars. But look at this. I'm getting now all the recordings from Coleman and these people that I need to watch. This was 59 minutes ago. You see, they post all the recordings here, and then you can update on the information here because people, this system is going to go live in 2 weeks' time. You do not have to ask me or phone Eugene or Chris, say what's happening now. Just go and check here, and I'm going to tell you guys. The next person is going to ask me, I'm going to ask you, are you registered on school? If not, go and check your registration. If you're not pending, Eugene, how many days is it? Oh, now average, about 4 days.
Okay, around about 4 days, but just give the guys a chance on that side because they have to do a 4-way check. See if you are registered on step 2 correctly, and then they have to check your names and your person that introduced and email is correct on the Shining Star matrix. It's the same as what you had applied for in school.
Yes.
There's a 4-way check. It take about 10 minutes to 30 minutes sometimes to double check and triple check. It do
Now,
take time, and they have to do 100 and something per day.
now, what's important, if you are still penning here, go and watch the bell on top. There might be something wrong that you registered. Because like in my case, I had a bell up here, a notification, and I had something wrong in my profile. My photo didn't upload. That's why now you can see my photo there. That's the one that I used. You can see. And then I had something wrong on and we just had to do this over. Also remember, the person that signed you up is going to be your POC, the point of control. So you also need to use that person's ID name. You cannot now use his Noom name. Now, one thing that I'm a bit worried about, lots of people is signing up people now. What we do, say for example, I sign up a person. Chris sign up Blanche. Once Blanche is registered, this name comes to the bottom on the left-hand side because here you're going to be the point of control. So like Tony, your question was, is my file updated? So I'm going to check Anthony. Where was it? I signed up Tony at here by my. Let's go and check there. I signed up. Tony, what was it?
41.
All right. Where's Tony?
It's in front of you. Go to the
Where's
front.
Tony? There's Tony, boys. Eh?
Number,
I signed up
number,
Tony here,
yeah.
and then Tony's name came here at the bottom. You say 41. There's Tony. And Tony signed up his daughter, Alep, Albert, and Denise. So Tony is becoming the point of control for these people. People, the reason for that is, once this help is starting to going to be live and there's something wrong, or we need to do something, or we need to register or something, the point of control, they're going to contact me if Tony's got something wrong, and that they're going to take Tony again to be responsible for these people below him. So if Ashley, you will see her name also came up on the left-hand side here. If Ashley does not sign up somebody else, it's fine. It's no problem. We will manage the spreadsheet on a later point if we're going to check. But at this stage, if Ashley brings on somebody, it's going to be there.
It's number 42.
Oh, all right. 42. I'm just taking. That's Ashley. If Ashley signs up her kid or whoever, she's going to be the point of control. Tony can do it, but Ashley, when somebody's going to contact Ashley, she's not going to know what it's all about. And she's going to say, no, she's not involved. And whoops, their account gets removed or deleted. You don't want to do that. Okay, that is why we make every single person responsible in this group. And that is the reason how they want to work it out. Okay, then Bertie, I must apologize. I saw Bertie and I just look at all his names. And I say, Ferreira. And I just didn't look. Blanche check. Bertie's got a BLF and a BXF and a BMF. I thought Bertie put all
Yeah, I know that.
put all the same in there. In the meantime, Bertie did it correctly. All right. People, it's not going to be advantage or disadvantage if you don't put people below you. But the advantage of this system is they are looking for the first phase of 25,000 people. If you go and look on school, if you go and check there's Eugene, I don't know when do they update.
2,054 people at the moment.
Yeah, but I
Go
believe
to members. Just click on members. You will see it there on the left top.
members, yeah. So if you're really gonna wake up and gonna check this, there's members. There's 2056. If you wake up,
Yeah,
you do
forgot.
this people and are registering. The first rollout is going to be how many people, Eugene? 64.
Okay. Okay, what is going to happen? It's 4,000 something, almost 5,000 people in Shining Stars at the moment.
Okay.
A lot of them are on the WhatsApp group that they still have to integrate into the school group. So they're working on a WhatsApp and on the school group. But the school group is actually the newest system and the perfect system for us to use. So they're bringing that people also over slowly but surely so they can fit into the whole school thing. So they're going to start off with all the people that are paying for themselves. And the people that are paying for themselves is already on level 13. So Soba, who had started it, is now on level 13. She personally. So we're going to start more or less. I think there's 188 people short on level 13 to fill it up from paid members. And then the people that get sponsored will be placed onto level 14, which means we become active. When we build level 15, we will have our first 2 people. And
Okay.
then we will grow from there. So we need lots and lots and lots of people.
People just
The next 2 levels is 25,000 people.
very important. If you, I talked about if you wanted to become a paid member, you're going to fill in this form again, but you're going to say at the back of your name, amended. And then you're going to say you want to change to L1. All right? This is what I said in a Monday's Zoom, Eugene. If you want,
Yes, you put amended L2 to L1.
yeah.
Then they know exactly, take me out of L2, put me in L1.
Or if you have the spelling fault on your name or something like that, you just say amended and just name correct it or whatever, just to help them quickly to sort out the problem. All right. Is there anything else that I've missed this morning?
I think we covered everything.
I think I've covered everything.
Yeah. I don't know if you guys had watched the corporate update. And once again, last night it was prominent. The guys are in testing phase. Some people say 2 weeks. I say 2 to 6 weeks. But I think early September we will all be on level 1 or step 1. And by December we should be on step 5.
And that's when you're going to get money, people. God willing.
Yeah, from there on, we're going to get $9,745 a month. That's roughly around about 175,000 Rand a month.
So don't wait. Let's push. Because what's going to happen in December, everybody's going to call us, and then they're going to be in a long queue. They're going to wait there 6 to 8 months. All right. If there's nothing else, is there somebody that's going to close for us for today? I want to get out my recordings already over an hour long, but I needed to do it today. What's going to happen on Mondays and Fridays? Mondays, we're going to tackle first few of our projects, and Fridays, the other ones. And then obviously we're going to have Monday evening. We will have, especially for Shining Stars, because what's happening, their Zoom starts on Tuesday. So we need to have our sheets up to date here. So we're gonna check, and then we mark it on Monday evenings. If there's people still in the red who needs to be assisted or updated, because it's important, people. If they ask Eugene for feedback or something or an update, or even for me, when on Tuesdays on the corporate calls, we are looking. Eugene did said if we can maybe have a person from South Africa. They are considering it. If the figures is getting too high, to help to to confirm between Shining Stars and Des Alps, but we have offered it, and our names will be listed there on that, and so then we can help even to get our own people faster verified. We'll just see and wait and see how it goes, but I think they're also waiting for us to see how much is our response. At this stage, in our sheet here, we've got 88 people. Basically, Delise, oh, she is green. Why? I know I've done Delise, and I don't know June Taylor if somebody get feedback. I know Chris, we just need to, I'll speak to Chris. I know Chris, like Chris did speak to, when you speak to a person, just put his name like me. I'm also guilty here. I need to put him Hendrik. I spoke to both of them. I sent in the invites, so it must be yellow. So it's just easier for us to follow up with these people. If they haven't, if you contacted one, I've done Richard's wife. I just need to get confirmation on the email, but just mark them green. Please, Blanche, also Bertie. If you spoke to a person, just put that name in here, and then just mark it blue so that I don't have to contact that person again. And what we've done in the Canas group, you'll see we've allocated people here in like the ones that was prepared to work. Ilva, I said there's nothing yet happening on your name. If you contacted a person,
Yeah,
just
no, I need to show you what to do.
okay, and then
Thank you, Blanche.
then Blanche will put up. We've got our. Just go to L1 there. There's the Canas group. There's the spreadsheet link. If you want to get access to this link, I'm going to post it for. I should have done it in the beginning of the call on the chat group.
Okay, Chris, and there's sorry, Chris, Bix. This group is not actually on 88 at the moment. There's much more on it because I've got a few people that I've invited that is on there that have applied now to become part of the Cana group. That I would like to give full access, editing and all that, because I will not get to their people.
Well, just
like
put
Helen Meyer and all that they are running.
Eugene, all you need to do, put those people in this in the names here on top and just mark them blue, because then me and Blanche can see if a person wants to invite it to this group. We will first go and search here if that person, otherwise we will not accept him in a group. Okay. Please,
Okay.
just update the names in here and mark it in blue. So otherwise, they're going to try to get access and we're going to throw them out of the group. Okay.
Everybody
Have
that
they
I've
joined the
put in
Telegram group?
Yeah.
to join the Telegram group, and they will speak to Chris to get the access link. Everybody that I've put in, I have asked to join the Cana group.
Yes.
Okay.
There's not one of them.
I'll mark it actually in
And some
red.
of them are already in.
There's the Canas group
Like Unine.
link.
Unine is in. Curvin is already in.
Yeah.
Yeah, and Unique's been in for quite a while.
Yeah, so is
Us and
Kerwin.
editors.
All right.
Yeah.
I think that's now enough for today. We spoke quite a long time. Is there anybody that wants to close for us for the week? 1, 2, 3. Okay, people, close your eyes. Heavenly Father, I'd like to thank you for this week. People, Lord, it's cold in South Africa, and there's some other places in the world where there's riots going on and there's wars going on. Lord, the only thing that we can do is look up to you and ask you to keep us comfort, keep the people, to comfort them. Let the Holy Ghost come through all those people and help them and bless them. Lord, and I'd like also help to bless this group and give us the courage and the knowledge to go forward and to give us the courage and the knowledge to see how we can help people and support them. Lord, and I'd just like to thank you for every person in this group, for his family members that they've got. There's lots of people, Lord, that is sitting alone in old age homes and stuff where the families does not contact them. Please, Lord, protect them. They are sick. They just need somebody to speak to. Let you guide somebody to speak to that person and just to give some comfort in life. I just want to thank you for everything we've got. Sometimes we do not appreciate what we have in life. Lord, and I just want you to open our eyes and please forgive our sins. In Jesus' name. Amen. All right.
Amen.
Thank you, people.
Dankie, Buck.
Amen.
You must keep warm and please please communicate on the groups so that we get other people interested to see what is happening in the Canas groups. All right.
But net een laaste ding.
Yes.
I'm thinking about why don't everybody just try to get 10 members that is not in the Canna group to join us. Get them in through Shining Stars. That way we can rebuild this Canna group to fantastic numbers.
That is the
That's the
idea.
idea.
That is the idea. Our first figure is 3,000, and our second figure by December we should be 3,000, and by I think we're gonna stop at 30,000. This is my idea.
Okay, great.
All right, but the same tip, we need to have some help for Blanche as well. Blanche is doing a hell of a job at the moment here in these groups, and we will at one stage need to get some persons to help her as well. Okay, people, have a lovely day. Have a lovely
Okay,
cheers.
weekend. Righto, bye.
Hey, bye.
Thank you all.
Thank you. Stay blessed.
Bye-bye.
Have a lovely weekend. Bye-bye.
Cheers.
Yeah.
Bye.